Welcome back to the off-road trailer. I posted a short format version of this on Instagram, but this is the long format version. We've been working on some more organization, trying to figure out a better way to have a sleep bed in here and still access the bins that have all of our kitchen supplies, dry food, and Sign Girls clothing. So this is what I came up with. Got storage underneath, got all our bins underneath, as well as the porta potty and my go bag. And all these is plastic utility shelving for a garage. You can buy these at any department store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Fred Meyer, Bi-Mart, whatever. They are ventilated already, so you don't have to worry about condensation under your sleep mat. And you can take these legs and cut them down to different heights to suit your purpose. You could even use these in the back of a vehicle and cut them down. If you got a sloping floor, you could accommodate that. You can easily zip tie the legs together or zip tie the platforms together through the vents up here or down here so that they don't shift around. They're light enough that they're easily packed down. You can disassemble them if you need to for transport. But I've had the idea for a long time, and I thought it'd be a good idea. We'll see if this works out for us, because it does make these particular shelves are a lot narrower than the ones I was planning and hoping to get. And so it does make getting the bins out quite difficult. So what I have to do is lift this last one here up. As you can see, I don't even have legs on that far side. It's just resting on top of the last two bins. So I have to flip this up and then pull the bins out one by one to access them. And of course the porta potty will slide out from underneath there, but that's for emergency use only when we're boondocking. So, but as you can see, all the bins are underneath there. Then I've got enough storage space here. I can walk through here. I can get to the shelves. I've got the both battery banks here and the Wave 2, as well as my mini garbage can and charge cord storage. So everything is in here. We'll see if this becomes too big of an issue to get to the bins, because we have to access the bins nightly for clothes. So we'll see. I did buy a just a regular old camping tent folding cot just in case this doesn't work. That's a lot narrower that I can just throw in here and fold up when I'm not using it. But I figured you'd like to see this is definitely a modular solution. Like I said, these legs are just plastic, so you can cut them down any height you need. And some shelves actually have taller legs. Some shelves have shorter legs. It just depends on the utility shelf kit you bought. And the cool thing is, like I said though, they're ventilated. So no more condensation under the sleep pad. And of course I got a new sleep pad while I was at it. Hopefully this one lasts a little longer. This is the third one. This was a different brand, but it looks to be exactly the same thing. It's just a different color on one side. And the foam on these things breaks down really fast. So, but as always, like, subscribe, and share. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.